Maniology is doing a giveaway. So they're giving away 100 of these Santa Workshop starter kits. I'll make sure to link this in my bio for you, so you'll have the entry and the rules and everything you need to know about the giveaway. So this is your little box. You get a whole stamper plate. You guys know I love me a good candy cane. There's some snowflakes, and then you have some of these larger images. So for me, I like a really good large image for a more detailed nail. So if I want like a feature nail, I should say. You get your holiday scraper, which I have the Halloween one, and it is super, super cute, and I'm excited for this too. You get these two little stamping polishes in B159 and B355. So that is like a champagne color. And this I think is a red, but it has a little bit more of a pink undertone. Here is a size comparison. So you still get quite a bit in the bottle. This is 0.27, and then this guy is 0.45, and then this is B445 if you're wondering. This is such a cute little kit. Again, it is free to enter, so I will make sure to link this in my bio. I also have a discount code, but obviously it does not apply to the giveaway. Just if you find something else you would like, you are more than welcome to use it.